Hello everyone. Today we're practicing useful daily English sentences you can actually use every day at home. Repeat after me and speak loudly. I just woke up. I'm still sleepy. I need 5 more minutes. I'm going downstairs. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm taking a shower. I'm getting ready. Breakfast is ready. I'm hungry. What should we eat? I'm cleaning my room. Can you help me? Where did I put my phone? I can't find it. Please turn off the lights. I'm watching TV. Can you lower the volume? I'm feeling tired. What time is dinner? I'm doing my homework. I'm charging my phone. I'm going to bed. Good night. This was a productive day. I'm making coffee. I need to charge my laptop. I'm checking my messages. I need to wash the dishes. I'm doing the laundry. The room is messy. I need to clean this up. I'm opening the window. It's too hot in here. It's getting cold. I'm feeling bored. Let's watch something. I'm listening to music. I need some rest. I'm working from home. Can you pass me that? I forgot my password. My phone battery is low. I'm looking for my keys. I'll be right back. Give me a second. I'm almost done. I'm not ready yet. I'm leaving now. See you later. I look in the mirror. I take off my jacket. I comb my hair. I turn on the light. I turn off the light. Great job, everyone. Practice these sentences every day and your English will become more natural.